It is undeniable that a cancer diagnosis affects every aspect of life. The experts at the St. Joseph Medical Center Cancer Institute care for patients' body, mind, and spirit. It's integrative medicine to support healing in every kind. And joining us now is medical director and medical oncologist, Dr. Kimberly Schlesinger, and nurse practitioner, Virginia Jump. So I want to start out by asking, why is integrative medicine an important part of the treatment process?
That's a great question, Elsa. So research shows that the mind-body connection can really impact a person's ability to tolerate treatments and even recover faster. So it's important that we incorporate integrative practices into any treatment modality, particularly when patients are facing cancer diagnosis and treatments.
And what types of services does the Barbara L. Posner Wellness and Support Center offer?
Also, we see patients when they're first diagnosed with cancer, when they're in the middle of treatment, or when they're in the phase of survivorship where they are ending their active treatment. And so we sit down with them in our warm and welcoming environment and go over how they're doing overall. How are they physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, what support systems do they have, financial concerns, and then we're able to offer them services that help some of those things. If there's side effects that are bothering them, we know that acupuncture has been shown to have some effectiveness in helping chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy or chronic fatigue that can happen with treatments. So we have those things. We have nutritional counseling, behavioral health counseling. We have healing therapy sessions which help the body to rejuvenate and rest and balance the energy system. So we have many different services, and they're all in the Cancer Institute. So all of the things that patients need, from their conventional treatments with chemotherapy, surgery, radiation, and then the complementary therapies to give an integrative medicine approach to their care, are all here in the Cancer Institute.
Is it true that integrative treatment can actually reduce the risk of a reoccurrence?
Absolutely. We know that when the body is stressed, when there's problems with poor diet, poor sleep, lack of exercise, overwhelming anxiety, that the body's in a state of stress, and that causes chronic inflammation. And that inflammation causes oxidative stress, causes cellular breakdown, mutation of cells, which is cancer. So if we're able to address some of those issues for them and help them to be in a better state of health and overall wellness, then we know that the risk of cancer, recurrence, and progression can be decreased.
And what is the best way to ask your doctor about complementary medicine?
And open communication is key. Many patients are familiar with things like acupuncture or healing touch and will come to the doctor's appointment asking about them. But it's also important to be open-minded and to meet with our team to hear about other modalities that may be available. It comes down to communication with the provider and the whole team to really identify what's appropriate for each individual patient. So the best way to get involved in the Barbara L. Posner Wellness and Support Center is to ask your physician. They will be able to make that referral to our center, or you can call us directly for more information.
Thank you both so much for being with us today. Really important information. And we want to remind our viewers that you can download your free Healthy Living for Cancer Prevention and Wellness Guide and find more information at umstjoseph.org/WMAR. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.